Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Really only a quick update here. In the previous video I focused also on the longer time frame wave count, so anybody who wants to see that also sort of with a weekly outlook, take a look at my previous video from today. What I'd like to do just in this video is just to focus here a little bit more on the lower level wave count and what is going to happen possibly imminently. What we now need to look at all the levels that are relevant here, because at the moment we are still in a range. We are still basically moving sideways. If you look at what here from the 21st of August, 4 days ago, to today, basically the price is at the same level. A lot of people currently tuning out. It's getting a bit boring. I understand that. Unfortunately, there is not always excitement in these markets. Phases like these are very important in markets as well, to let the market rest a little bit and prepare the market for the next impulsive move. So from at the moment, expectation would still be that we come down once more lower here. It would just be ideal in this move down that started at just above 25k to just see one more leg down to be able to count a clean 5-wave impulse. It's not absolutely necessary. I said that as well, because I always get the comments in the comment section, your questions. Could it not be that we already go up from here? Yes, absolutely. The condition that needs to be fulfilled for that would be a move above, an impulsive move above 22.2k. Then we could possibly say, all right, that wave 5 here in white is actually already in. We don't necessarily need to come down lower in. It would just be ideal. Unfortunately, markets just sometimes do their own thing. It's all a matter of probabilities, and sometimes markets just don't listen to what would be ideal, and they do something that is unlikely. Unlikely events happen all the time as well. They're just less likely. But this is a key level to watch out for. If we go impulsively above 22.2k, I'm not talking about a wick on the hourly that goes maybe to 22.5k. It's not really a matter of invalidation here. It's more like if we go above that level and we can see it's an impulsive move consisting of 5 waves, and if it is holding, possibly retesting the 22.2k level on the upside, and we see an hourly candle close above that level, that could be a good indication that we indeed go higher here. But bear in mind, be careful, we've got the next key resistance level just sitting here at around 23.3k. And I've updated the channel members on Telegram earlier today in a bit of a small let's say comment or outlook on the crypto market, also what would happen if we actually make lower lows. But the thing is, as long as we stay below that 23.3k level, that is more of a higher level important resistance area, as long as we stay below that level, you've got a bit of a bearish overhang here on this chart, and we need to get above that level. That's critical to unlock higher levels. So at the moment though, short term really, and this is really imminent short term, primarily I would still expect the price from anywhere in this green area here, as long as we stay below 22.2k, because that's where we are at the moment. Until we get above that level, we have to assume that there is still a lot of downside pressure, and in terms of the wave count, it would just be better, or let's say cleaner, to make one more low, and after that we can have a chance for either an impulsive move up or a recovery move, or basically a retracement, a corrective move up. Both are possibilities, and we're really at a junction here, at a critical level. Irrespective of what Bitcoin does, I still have to let you know that Bitcoin has not yet completed a first impulsive wave to the upside. Therefore, and a lot of people still question that or ask for that, but as long as we don't have a really good impulse complete for Bitcoin, which we haven't, because the best thing that we have here is possibly a leading diagonal or a series of 1-2 setups. But like Ethereum has done it, a 5-wave move, Bitcoin hasn't done that. And therefore, situation is far from clear here. What we do here is we are investigating what could happen. I'm not telling you with a guarantee that we will make one more low, because as long as we have this clear market structure, a first impulse to the upside, it is various scenarios are possible. Because this could also still solve itself to the downside. And the situation is clear. I see that in the comments, a lot of discussions, some people very bullish, some people very bearish. And I think it was a good decision to be very careful here with any outlooks for Bitcoin as you can see, yeah, still a lot of uncertainty. I mean, if one prediction was right, then it was this one, that it is still a very uncertain market environment, and therefore I gave the bullish scenario really only a 60% probability. Some might have some wanted to give it maybe a little bit more. No, 60%, not more, and I know why, because the situation is very unclear, and I also don't want to create false hope here or anything. So yeah, unless we really see that 5-wave move up and a 3-wave pullback, situation is far away from clear. The bulls still have a chance to protect the bullish scenario as long as we stay above 18.9k. As I said before, if we go below 18.9k, we have to throw the bullish scenario out of the window. I mean, it's still possible, but it will just get far less likely. And this is a key level, the 18.9k level. That's why it's a red zone here, or red line with an arrow to the downside. It's a key level. I mean, we're still holding above 20.7k, but the 18.9k level is really sort of the last level where the bulls can protect this bullish scenario. So this is more a level that is generally structurally important. In the short term, what I would expect primarily is here one more dip that could go as low as, ideally would be, all the way down, not lower than 19.5k based on targets for this last leg down. But as I said, it could go down to 18.9k, doesn't need to go that low. And as long as we stay anywhere above that level, we have a good chance to protect this bullish scenario. And after one more dip here in the short term, I would expect, as I said, a recovery. Now that can be impulsive or corrective. That is what the market is going to tell us, and based on that we can then we get a clearer picture of where we generally are in the chart here. So, and that's my update about Bitcoin. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership, and also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links for those in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.